Good afternoon, jury members and fellow colleagues. I am Anita Malhotra, a founder principal, Lotus Valley International School, Gurgaon, and my colleague Harvinder is there with me. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached is the motto of Lotus Valley International School. It's a new generation green school with a world-class infrastructure and top-class teaching faculty, spread over a sprawling campus of 5 acres. Our mission is thereby to build a strong foundation of knowledge and life skills among the children. We appreciate diversity and realize that each young individual is different, unique, and special, and so our constant endeavor is to help each child realize his or her potential and discover new horizons. Skating, cricket, golf. We have integrated technology seamlessly into the curriculum instead of viewing it as an add-on. School promotes learning. What's that?
For the inconvenience, I'll be taking a minute.
Good afternoon, members of the jury and fellow colleagues. We start once again. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached is the motto of Lotus Valley International School, Gurgaon. It is a new gen school, a green school with a world-class infrastructure and top-class teaching faculty, spread over a sprawling 5-acre high-tech campus. Our mission is thereby to build a strong foundation of knowledge and life skills among the children. We appreciate diversity and realize that each young individual is different, unique, and special, so our constant endeavor is to help each child realize his or her potential and discover new horizons. We intend to create leaders of tomorrow. The school boasts of a state-of-the-art indoor sports block comprising of all-weather swimming pool, basketball, badminton courts, lawn tennis courts as well, besides horse riding, skating, cricket, and golf training. We have integrated technology seamlessly into the curriculum instead of viewing it as an add-on. School promotes learning not only through regular talk-and-talk method or EduComp modules, but also through the 3D labs which help the conceptual understanding of a subject easy and comprehensive. The school is driven by technology, be it smart boards, eDream studios, that is the computer labs, or even the use of tablets. Students have the freedom to present their work using technologies. The regular SAS, that is the Smart Assessment System, is an add-on to the entire learning package and helps the child to self-assess and hence be able to work towards further improvement. The mathematics, science, language studios complement the entire learning process by focusing on kinesthetic learning. Our endeavor is to make each child a scholar and educate the child for life. The science seminars, mathematics and science olympiads, and related workshops give an edge to the learning experience of our learners. Learning is enriched through experimental methods in clubs like astronomy, photography, and robotics, which create an arc moment of learning as we call it. The robotics club gives the learners hands-on experience to deal with logical thinking, engineering, and computer programming. The club houses children from 8 years upwards and enables them to learn from peers, experts, and self. The photography club is another platform of intrigued learning, wherein our children get educated on the working of the hardware before actually using the cameras. Astronomy club is one place which is a great encouraging pedestal for our budding scientists. It gives answers to all the curious minds as the session includes regular coaching and night sky observation camps. What you leave behind is not what is engraved in stone monuments, but what is woven into the lives of others. Lotus Valley is an inclusive school where the value of inclusion is instilled in the mind of learners across the school. Children join school from all spectrums of life with different abilities and aptitudes. They come together and learn from each other. This also imbibes the values of acceptance, tolerance and compassion for others. To enhance it further, we have Buddies program, which helps to develop relationships between the younger and older learners and provide them with stimulating opportunities for learning and skill development. We are determined to create an atmosphere where values are considered an achievement. Hence, life skill classes are taken right from pre-primary upwards, where time is dedicated for discussions and activities where knowledge, skills and attitude towards life skills are taken care of. We believe in holistic development of children while they go through their journey of education. Apart from academic progress, we also focus on children's socio-emotional development. While we create lesson plans and design assignments, the focus is on skill development. We aim to edify our learners about the worth of communication and honesty. To reinforce this, the school strongly encourages parental involvement and conducts open houses every month and regular sit-in programs in the classes where parents and teachers give feedback to each other and create a true partnership in children's education. We also have circle times as a space for sharing and reflections. We drive children towards a vision for excellence where a child is encouraged to cross over his or her own previous benchmarks and maximize the potential eventually. If we teach today as we taught yesterday, we rob our children of tomorrow. At Lotus Valley, we believe that today's child is tomorrow's adult. Each classroom is an EduSmart class, which brings about a complete transformation, resulting in quicker and precise understanding of the concepts. A unique learning system is followed so as to provide our learners with experiential education, with individual attention and ensure education for understanding that is excellent in quality. At Lotus Valley, opportunities are galore for children for expressing their talents on day-to-day basis and for experiencing the joy of learning. Research shows that students who participate in successful group projects, collaborative learning and cooperative learning exhibit a higher level of academic achievement, better critical thinking skills, a deeper understanding of learned material and more positive and supportive relationships with peers. To ensure this, we encourage collaborative learning in the school. To add on, we have adopted a high-degree research-based pedagogy, teaching style and assessment pattern, usage of technologies to the maximum, where we encourage the learners to use for further research on any given topic, Google Science projects prepared and presented on extraterrestrial intelligence at National Science Center. Assessments are done via homework and worksheets that have all the degree or levels of questions with choices based on their abilities. ISA project in collaboration with British Council, Brown University's student exchange programs, wherein learners prepare themselves for any scenario to come up in this changing competitive world. Guest lectures by experts from specialized fields, field trips and tours, national as well as international, are some of the ways to give exposure to our learners with multidimensional aspects that bring the best growth and development to them. We at Lotus Valley International School believe in imparting right values to the learners, which they will carry with them throughout their lives. For this, we have incorporated value education programs like the Mowgli Gurukul value-based classes and the Julia Gabriel speech, drama and poetry classes. These classes act as a medium for the learners to realize the role of values in their holistic development. We have succeeded in discovering a malleable method of teaching values which can be shaped to suit each child's unique needs. Sorry for taking this extra time, but yes, there was a kind of throughout initially, so I had to cover that up. I must tell the jury members the school is barely 2 years old. It was founded in the year 211. We started with about 250 learners, and in a short span of 2 years, we have 1,400 plus children. Thank you so much.
Infrastructure that seems to be a very high focus area. Whenever there is something very good, it comes with a flip side. So, do you identify the flip side of focusing on this kind of infrastructure, and what do you do about it?
Expectation of parents rise by the day, And we have been able to live up to the expectations of parents, and we shall continue to do so. Today, it's all about quality. And once the quality is in place, quantity falls in place. Give us one feature of yours, something that our children have adopted, probably due to the exposure that has been given to them. Even a pre-nursery child.
Okay. And see, the priority when the children will come up for the career and your professional life, the two things are very important. Hunger will be 7 times more in this world, and water will be 10 times less. In whole your program and presentation, and it is now felt that we have to start the food safety and food security and food saving right now from the children, and water also, electricity of course. So what is in 2 areas, food and water, what you are teaching to the students?
Environmental awareness. Environmental issues are such that are taken up almost every day with the children.
Have you checked their lunchbox every day?
Absolutely. We have a fixed menu.
No waste?
Pardon?
No waste?
No. Because you know what is happening is we have a fixed menu plan. So the whole school gets the same kind of food every day. Monday it's like a chapati roll with sabji in it. So when a child sees his peers eating the same kind of food, I find no reason why should a child be attracted to another tiffin, because everybody is eating the same food. We have a short break of about 10 minutes, which is a fruit break. So children get fruit, so everybody is eating fruit. Then we have lunch hours where everybody is eating the same tiffin. So might be the taste would be different, but they are getting the same food.